Welcome back, everybody. Today we're at a BMW and we have a tail light malfunction. We'll show you, I believe it's the left one. It is in fact a left tail lamp malfunction. So this could be for the right or left. We'll show you how to take it out and inspect it. Normally it's a blown light bulb or a light bulb getting ready to blow. Might be corrosion. We're just gonna check it out and see. These are very simple to get to, depending on which one has a blown out light bulb. If you can see it, you can take out this back plastic here, and that'll allow you access to the center lights. Or in our case here, we think it's this outside lamp. You're just gonna simply pull that cap off, take a flathead screwdriver, and take that out. This little clip actually just pulls out, so if you pull on the plastic right here and you just pull it out, it'll pop right out. Then we're greeted by the 10mm screws here, so take out these two 10mm nuts. Once you have the two 10mm nuts off, the entire housing will just slide off, and then you'll have to disconnect the electrical connectors back here. We got the taillight assembly out. It's very easy to disconnect this bulb module here. You got two tabs on the bottom and one tab at the top. You just squeeze them and kind of lift it out. And here we have the assembly. If you can see, there's a little blackness on this bulb, and we'll wipe it. You see there. So this bulb, if you look in there, the wire looks all kind of chewed up compared to this other one. So BMW is detecting a resistance change probably in this bulb, and that's what's sending the information up to the cab or up to the information center saying that the left tail light has a malfunction, because it will eventually burn out. We're also going to take out this other center one here to show you how it looks, so you can inspect everything. The easiest way to get the back inner tail light cover off is just hit it right here like that, and it'll pop right off. This is the center housing. As you can see, we already did LED upgrades on it. You're just gonna wanna check your bulbs in here, check the connector back here, make sure everything's good, and they slide out with these little tabs just as easy. So we just switched the incandescent bulbs with the LED bulbs. As you can see, that's the LED one in there, just to confirm if the message goes out. And we're still showing a malfunction for some reason. We're gonna have to check this out. So these bulbs are extremely hard to find. For some reason, it seems like the wrong bulbs were inside of the housing. 7506 is what it calls for, and this is, let's see if we can get it up on camera. This is a 1057. If you can see there, 1057. We couldn't find any 1057 bulbs, but 7506 is what came up. Couldn't find any LED bulbs, so we went to a few auto part stores, and shout out to O'Reilly Auto Parts. They always have the parts that nobody else has. So we got that from them. We're gonna pop these in and see if it fixes the warning light, and then we'll order some LED bulbs if it does. All right, we went through and tested all the bulbs. We found out these 194s were bad, that were up inside this back housing, and that's what was causing the light, or the warning light on the dashboard. We went ahead and we were just switching around all the bulbs and everything and just following and tracing it. So what we're gonna do is just add the LEDs to these outside lights, since these are harder to get to. We'll put the incandescent ones back in the middle and order those ones and then get those installed. All right, pretty sure we solved this one. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the ignition on. No notifications, we're gonna start it. It is running. Turn the blinkers on. Headlights and fog lights. Still no notification. All right, the lights are nice and bright back here. Everything looks good. Went for a long test drive, no notifications, nothing on the dash. So if you have some warning lights for brake lamp malfunctions, turn signal malfunctions, just check the light bulbs first. You might have a couple of them out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.